Yo, what is up guys? In today's video, I will be showing you guys a step-by-step guide on how to create your own AI arts to sell on Etsy. I will show you guys how to create clip art and also how to create the front listing and everything. So if you guys like this video, please make sure to smash that like button, and without further ado, let's go. Alright guys, as usual, before we are going to create our own AI art, we need to know what do we want to create. Okay, so we are going to open up Etsy. For me, I'm going to open up Etsy, and then I've done my research, and the thing that I'm interested on creating is a flower watercolor. Okay, basically this is a clip art of a flowers and everything. I think it looks really good. So as an example, we are going to scroll down. Okay, this is an example. We got what is this? Flower elements, white peonies, a pansy and everything. So we are going to open up white peonies here. Now one thing, if you guys see this product, they only sell around 4 PNG of flowers. They sell around $1 for each product, and this product have around 1,200 reviews. So basically from this product alone, they earn around $1,200. That's basically really much for just a picture of a flower. We are not going to waste any more time. I'm going to show you the process on how to create this art and also how to sell it on Etsy. So first of all guys, as usual, what you have to do is just open up your Discord, because we are going to use Midjourney. But let's say if you guys want a free software that you want to use, you don't want to use the paid version, you can also use Leonardo.ai, but for me, I'm just going to use Midjourney. Okay, and then just open up Midjourney and just go to any general chat, because we are going to create our prompt. We're going to create our AI image. Now the first thing you have to do is just, I'm going to show my settings so that you guys can also copy to create your own AI art. Okay guys, so this is basically what my setting is, which is I use the latest model 5.2, and also I turn on raw mode. I make sure it stylized mid and medium, public mode, remix mode, a low variation mode, and fast mode. So this is my settings. You guys can copy. Now it is time to put in the prompt. So what usually I do for the flower watercolor, one thing I will type is the subject. So I want to make a white rose flower, so I'm going to put in white rose flowers, and also comma, I'm going to put what we call it a watercolor style. Okay, this is important because you want it to be watercolor style. And else, what else should I do? Maybe a white background, so that when we change it into transparent background, it will be much more easier to cut and everything. And yeah, I think that's basically it for me. If you guys have more details, you guys can add by yourself. So just press spacebar and 2 dashes, and then type AR as aspect ratio, which is the size, and then another spacebar, and then the size. Basically for me, I think the most suitable size for clip art would be 1:1 ratio, and then just press enter. And here we are guys, the 4 picture that Midjourney have given to us. So we got many types of flowers, and I think that I'm most interested with the second picture. Okay, so we are going to download the second picture. Just press U2 as the second picture. This is it guys, the image that Midjourney have generated for us. One picture here. What's left to do is just press web here to download, and then it will bring us to a page. And then what's left to do is just to press download right here, and then just let it download. You guys can also just repeat the process with so many types of flowers, because usually in Etsy they sell around a bundle, which is they sell around 5 or maybe 15 pictures in one bundle. So in example here we got 25, 8, 12, 20, and so on. But don't worry, I got you guys, because I want to show some of my pictures that you guys can maybe follow. Okay, I know you guys want some inspiration, I got you. So we got 1 flowers, and maybe flowers in vase, or maybe flowers with ribbons on it, and also a wreath of flowers. Okay, so this is all some of ideas that you guys can use by yourself. After you guys have downloaded your image, which is this image, okay, we have downloaded. Now what we have to do is basically we need to upscale the image a little bit, okay, because Midjourney is known for its low quality image, low resolution image, because we need to upscale a little bit. So I show you an example. We go to details here. Okay, this is the size resolution, which is 1024 times 1024, and also the bit depth is 24. So we need to upscale a little bit. What do you have to do? So let me show you what we have to do to upscale our image. What you guys have to do is just open up Google as usual, okay? Because I'm going to show you a software that you guys can use to upscale your image, which is free. Now open up Google and type in Upscale. Just spell the same as I am, okay? And then go to the up here, which is the Upscale AI image upscaler, and then it will bring us to this page here. And then just make sure join the beta waitlist for free. You guys can register and everything, and you will put you guys in a waitlist, and then just download the software. You guys can choose Linux, Mac OS, Windows, and any device. So for me, I'm just going to pick Windows, and then just download the exe installer. And also, before we are going to continue, I will show you guys also a second option to upscale your image, which is open up a new tab and then just type upscale upscale.media. Alright, okay, you guys can also use this to upscale your image, but one thing about this is that you guys can only upscale one picture at a time. But if you guys use this upscale thing here, you guys can upscale images in batches. Alright, you guys can upscale around 15 images in one time. So let's say if you guys have installed your software, they will bring us to this software right here, okay? Because I've already installed it, so I'm just going to show. Now you guys can just go to settings first and maybe change the setting if you want. You guys can choose the upscale theme. You want to make sure the picture to be light or dark or cupcake, bumblebee, and so on, but usually I just use default. And also save image, just choose PNG. So image scale I use ×4, and also the other thing I'll just leave it as it is, and then just go back to upscale right here. So let me explain all of this setting right here. So batch upscale is basically if you guys want to upscale a batch of picture around 15, 14, and so on. But let's say if you want one image, then just leave it as it is. If you guys want to upscale many pictures one time, then just turn it on right here, and then just select the folder where your image is. So as an example here, I show you I got what we call it, yellow rose right here, and then I'm just gonna select this folder. So upscale will upscale all of my image in this folder. 2 is just choosing the style of your upscale. I'm just going to use the basic here, the default general photo real Asurgun. Set output folder is the folder you guys want to set, which folder do you want for it to output. And then what's left to do is just to press upscale, and yeah, that's basically it. So it is so easy as it is. And here we are guys, all the image that have been upscaled. Because you guys can see, and let me show you, just go to the right click and go to properties, and then go to details, and then you guys can see the image quality, the 4000 pixels times 4000 pixels. Alright, now to the next step. What you have to do is just open up back your desktop. Right, just go back to desktop, and then just go to the search. What you want to search is just search Paint 3D. This is basically a free software that Windows have provided to us. As simple as that. What you have to do is just press new, and then just go to canvas on the top here, and then just set the width and height as same size as the image, which is a 4096. So let me zoom out a little bit. So we got this square right here. Okay, now what do you have to do? Okay, you guys must be asking, what do you have to do? Now just go to your image, alright, that you have upscale. Now what you have to do is just drag and drop the image on the canvas right here, and then it will bring us the image right here. Now what you have to do is just go to the top left here, which is magic select, or also you guys can go to the right side here, magic select, and then just click, choose an area to cut out. I just leave it as it is, and just press next, and then magic select. You guys can add some things that you want to make sure that you won't cut out, or also you can remove things that you want to remove from the cutout. Okay, after all of those are done, just go press done, and yeah, we are done. It has already automatically cut our picture. Let me show you example. So I'm just there's two pictures here, the image itself and also the canvas behind here. You guys click on the canvas behind and then just press delete, and then this is basically done. So just go to the top right corner here, transparent canvas, just press it on, and this is how our image look like, and it looks really good. The Paint 3D done a really great job. So let's say after all of those are done, just go to the top left corner here, menu, and then go to save as, and then just press image, and then make sure to save as type PNG on the top right corner here, and also the size and everything, make sure it is the same, 4096 log aspect ratio and I think, and then just press save. Okay, and we are done. So as easy as that. Okay, but before I'm going to show you an image, let's say if you guys want to continue with the second image, what you have to do is just turn back the transparent canvas and then just click on the flower here and then just delete it, and then just drop the second picture for you guys to edit. Okay, just repeat the process until all of your image have been removed the background. Okay, so let's say the transparent thing have been done. Okay, let me show you the image that the Paint 3D have created for us. Let me show you. So this is the image right here, and basically this looks really good and you guys can sell it on Etsy. Alright, so let's continue on creating the front listing on our Etsy product. And if you guys are asking what am I talking about, let me show you an example. So let's say I've opened up Etsy, and you guys must be asking, so we want to create the image right here, which is the front page that people see before buying our product. Yeah, because if we look, it looks really good and it attracts people to see what is the products that we are selling. So just let me show you how to create this thing right here. So you guys have to open up your Canva and then go to create a design, and then go to custom size, and then what you have to do is just press here and type in pixel, because we need to be in pixel. The width would be 2454 and the height would be 20. Okay, this depends on what size you want to create, but for me default I use this size. And what you have to do is just create a new design, and then Canva will give us a blank image right here, a blank canvas that we can edit our image. And if you guys are asking what I usually do, I usually upload all of my flowers image. Okay, so right here I've already uploaded all my image, if you guys can see in the left corner here. Now it's just as simple as it is, just put in all of your flowers in this canvas. I show you an example. Okay, I maybe resize it a little bit and make it a little bit smaller. Okay, just put in each corner. Let me get back to you after I'm done putting every flowers to where it is. And here it is, guys. I've put all of the flowers and it looks pretty good. I haven't put any font, but you guys can imagine how it looks, and it looks really good. So let's say if you want to put some text, because people want to know what is this product. Usually I just put a text right here, and then I type white roses. Okay, because basically I'm just selling a digital art of white roses. Yeah, okay, that looks really good, but we don't want the font to be black because it looks so boring. Maybe turn it a little bit a beige, what we call it, beige. I'm sorry, B-E-I-G-E. Okay, yeah, that looks really good. And maybe the font, make it a little bit smaller. I mean, that's too small. Maybe a little bit darker. All right, that's good and all. Watercolor style, watercolor. Oh, watercolor style. So yeah, we are done. So you guys can see how good it looks like. Okay, it's just as simple as that. So you guys have created your front listing. After all of those are done, maybe you guys can edit by your own if you want to add something more beautiful. And what's left is just go to the top right corner here, press share, and then go to downloads, and then file type. You guys can also choose JPEG or PNG, but for me I'll just choose PNG, and then just download, and then that's basically it. You guys have your own product, front page listing. Here it is, guys, the image that we have downloaded, and it looks really good. So we are going to proceed with our next step. Alright, we have completed all of our image. We have created everything. Now it is time to put our image in one place so people can access it. Because if you guys are asking why we have to do this, because Etsy have a limit. So I'll show you an example. If I open up my folder, which is I've already created, so I'm just going to go to properties. So this file alone have around 250 megabytes, which is really huge, and Etsy won't let you to upload it. So you guys have to put on a cloud drive. An example here, I'm just going to use a Google Drive, an example, because Google Drive is free. Now just press a right click and then just put new folder, and then I'm going to rename my folder White Rose, okay, because all of this picture that is in this file will be my White Roses picture. And then I create it. So I'm just going to open up my file right here. Okay, I've completed all of my image, so I'm just going to choose all, and then I'm going to drag to this file and just release it, and then all of my files are uploading right here. Okay, just let it all uploaded in this file. Alright guys, I have completed uploaded all of my image. So we got around 16 image right here, as simple as that. And then what you guys have to do is just go to the right corner here and press manage access. Alright, and then now this is important because why? General access right here, we're going to change anyone with the link. So basically, if you guys put this link in Etsy in your product, so anyone that buy your product can get access to this link. So when people press on this link, they have access to all of those pictures in this Google Drive. Okay, so let me show you an example. So I'm just going to copy link right here. So we got the link already. Now what you have to do is just we are going to create a PDF file so people open up and then they have access to the link. So let me just show you an example. Okay, I open up my Word. Okay, and then just go to documents, new documents. Okay, maybe type in, make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to put a thank you. Okay, thank you for purchasing. Okay, as simple as that. And maybe put the font a little bit smaller. Yeah, you guys can put anything, you can write anything that you want, but for me, I'm just going to put a dear customer is the link, and then you're just going to paste your link right here so people can click on it and then they have access to your Google Drive. Okay, so just save it to PDF, export to PDF. Okay, let it export. Oh sorry, maybe I'm going to rename it a White Rose. So we are done. So we got our PDF right here. This PDF is used for you guys to upload on Etsy so people can press on the link and then they have access to all of those image right here. So that's basically it on how to create your AI image and how to put it on Google Drive and sell it on Etsy. So yeah guys, that is all for today's video. I hope this video helped you guys on creating your own product on Etsy. And if you guys like this video, please make sure to smash that like button, and if you want to see more, please do consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye, see ya.